Hi, my name is John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London in the UK. And you?
I'm from Sydney, Australia. I've been living here for a few months now.
That's great. What brings you here?
I moved here for work. I'm working as a graphic designer. What do you do?
I work as an engineer at a tech company. I've been with the company for about 3 years.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I really do. I love working with technology and solving problems. What about you? Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy being creative and designing new things. It's always fun to work on new projects.
That sounds amazing. So how do you like it here so far?
It's been great. The city is beautiful and the people are very friendly. I'm still getting used to the weather though. How about you? Have you always lived here?
Yes, I've lived here most of my life. I like it, especially because there are so many things to do. Have you had a chance to explore the city yet?
A little bit. I've been to a few parks and museums, but I still have a lot to see. Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely. You should visit the downtown area. It's full of cool cafes and shops. Also, there's a great market on weekends that I think you'd enjoy.
That sounds awesome. I'll have to check it out. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. It was nice chatting with you, Sarah. Maybe we can meet up sometime and explore the city together.
That would be great. Let's keep in touch. Here's my number.
Thanks. I'll message you later. Have a good day.
You too. Talk to you soon.